Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to add a circular webcam overlay in OBS. So, if you have started your video recording or content creation journey with OBS, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. Right now, you can see that in my screen, I have added a circular overlay in OBS, also a nice circular border that make it very professional eye-catching. And now I'm going to show you how you can do this. So first of all, I'm going to close everything, and you can see that in the OBS, just I recording the screen, and now I'm going to add webcam. So click on the add source, make screen capture, video capture device, select this one, click on the OK, then select MacBook Air camera. You see, select again, OK, and I have added the camera in here. Let me show you. OK, and now I'm going to add circle overlay, and now I'm going to add a circle overlay in here. So to do this, you have to download this image. I'll share this image link, download link in the video description, so don't worry about that. Also, you have to download this one to make it more professional and eye-catching. Okay, so I have already downloaded this file. You can see that here is the file, circle max png tree modern. And now go to the OBS and make sure that you have selected this one, video capture device. Click on the filter, then click on this plus icon, image max blend, select this one, OK, and upload the image. Here is the circle max image, open, perfect, you see. OK, we have done so far. Now move it, make it smaller. OK, and now we have to add this effect, this one. So how you can do this, just click on the OBS, click on the plus icon, select image, OK, then browse this one, this image, very simple, OK, and now move it in here, expand it, OK, you can adjust it, OK, perfect. So I hope you understand how to add a circular webcam overlay in OBS with easy way without any extra extension plugin or any paid subscription type tools or software. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant website design or digital marketing, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.